Guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to switch account on Amazon. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for Amazon, or you can go to Amazon app as well. Now make sure you log into it. Over here we'll be able to see your name or your profile name, and click on account. And here we can see this option called login and security. Simply tap on this and simply click on switch accounts. Now since I do not have next account, I can simply click on add account and add the information of my new account. And if you want to simply choose this account or you already have it, simply tap on the new account like this. And now we need to enter the password as well and click on sign in. Now if you want to add your mobile number as well, simply enter your mobile number, and if not, simply click on not now. So it's done. So this is all we can do to switch our account on Amazon. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.